Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. I am Amzolin K and I do motivational cleaning videos, decorating and a lot more. So if that sounds like you, consider subscribing and join the family. I am so excited to share with you guys another clean motivational video. So we're going to be cleaning, decluttering and organizing Mia's bedroom. She's right here ready to help out mama. Actually, some of you guys do DM me on Instagram requesting for me to do a cleaning version of the kids' bedrooms. So today we're going to start off with Mia's room. Always feel free to comment down below your suggestions and stuff like that. Alright, so here is an overview of how her room is looking. Super messy at the moment. Usually she does a good job at keeping her room organized, but today it's out of track. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on track. So let's get started. Alright, so I started off by doing her bedding while she decluttered her table. So I gave her a basket for her to select all the papers and toys and other things that she doesn't want anymore. So for the most part, I allow her to select things by herself because these are her own things, and also there will be no crying since she's the one selecting what she doesn't want anymore. Bed is done, so now I'm gonna join her to further select more things and also arrange her bookshelf and her desk, and also we're gonna go ahead and fold some laundry. Next, we sorted out all her stuffed animals and also the Barbie dolls and other toys. So most of the time, kids are attached to their toys and don't want to let go. But sometimes you just have to declutter and reduce some of them. So what I do tell my kids is that you are going to give it to another child who actually needs it, and that is nice because you're sharing. So once that is said, they understand that and they do like to give donations to charity homes. So it's important as parents for us to raise kids that are really loving and caring for other people. So that's what I do tell my kids. So last month we've actually decluttered a lot of their clothes, shoes, toys, and a lot more things to charity homes. So yeah, they are used to this, and make sure when you're taking a toy from your child, let them understand the reason why, that you are trying to create a room for you to buy a new one for them in order to replace what they're giving out. So they can understand you and not feeling like you're actually taking things from them by force. Alright, so the toy part has been sorted out. So now we're just going to go ahead and vacuum the floor, the carpet, and leave everything sparkling clean. So we are almost done, and here I was just cleaning up her window bench, and also I'm going to go ahead and show you how far we have gone. And I'm also gonna go ahead and clean her dresser where our jewelries are, and in the next video I am going to try to do her closet with you guys. So for this video I don't want it to be too long, so I'm not going to include her closet in this video.